Okay guys, so I came out to service this boiler. It's a main Combi 30 Eco Elite. Customer was also mentioning that they're hearing some humming noises and some extra noises coming out of the boiler. So we had a brief look and I could see there's a lot of corrosion in the base. So there was some kind of condensation leakage in here at some point, but it's not fully dry, it's still wet. So I did a bit of investigation work. So I just moved this side panel to see what was happening on the side. And as you can see, there's a lot of corrosion. But on the right, that's where the sump is leaking condensation as well as combustion products into the chamber. And that's what's causing all of this havoc. So I'm going to have to make this boiler safe for now and order the sump kit. And when I come back to replace it, I'll give you an update. Okay guys, so back at this main Eco Elite where we had the leaking sump, condensate sump at the bottom the other day. So after some struggle, we managed to get the main heat exchanger and sump out, and I'll show you. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So that's the old sump, and the only hole that should be visible is that one there that was connected to the condensate. You can possibly tell by the colour of my glove that it's got quite a few holes on the side. As well as some underneath as well. So we'll be changing it with the new sump, new burner seal, service it and take it from there. So that's where the main heat exchanger is. Burner's just there, and look at the state of this FSD. That's how it should look like. So new sump is in now, main heat exchanger is back in. Now it's time for this burner and injector, as you can see. Look at the state of that FSD. That's how it should be. We'll change that. Okay guys, so all done. Everything's back in now. New burner seal, new injectors, new sump, and fully serviced, working perfectly fine now.